Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is MM93. So, இன்னைக்கு என்ன பார்க்க போறேன்னா, so I decided to clean my chain. So it's very dirty after coming back from Ooty. So I had been to Ooty, and then during this season, that is, the roads are very sluggish and terrains are not so good. So my chains, as you can see, it's not in a good condition. So I thought of cleaning them today. So I thought, why not make a video out of it? And then, it's been so long since I did a video or I got a content onto my YouTube channel. So I decided to make one. I'm not sure how this is going to come up, but we'll see. I'll try to do explain you as much as I can while I clean these chains. So funny thing here is when we polish the bike. So see, when we polish the bike, we are supposed to do it here on the shining part, that is here. Okay, so we are not supposed to do on these parts. These surfaces are not as smooth as these, right? So when you try to do your waxing or polish here, so your bike looks like this. See? So I didn't know this. I didn't know this when I did my waxing and polishing. And by the way, this is my new top rack that I installed from Hyperrider, and this is the backrest. So these are my new accessories additions. And then, so this is how my bike looks now, with the top rack and the backrest. And this is the new mobile holder, Bobo mobile holder that I installed recently. This is the G roller that I had bought a year ago, which will be very much useful. Okay, so this will come in handy when you have to clean your chains when your bike gets punctured. So this will help a lot. So this will replace your paddock and then your center stand. So what we have to do here is, we'll just keep it here. We'll have to just keep it here. Okay, just keep it here, and then move the bike a little bit forward. I'll just do it and I'll show it to you. So this is how it works. Now it's not proper yet, but I think it's okay. So now since the paddock has been installed, we'll just move forward. Okay, so here I have my chain cleaning brush. Okay, and then Motul MC Care C1. So this is a chain cleaning lube, and then this is a actual chain lube. This will come in handy at the end, so we will be using this at the end. For now, just keep it here. Then we have to spray this on the chains. Okay, we'll just do that now and then spray this. Okay. Then rotate your
Growing up in Cali, yeah, you know I love the weather. Limelight hit 'em and you know I handle pressure. I do what I want, so I'm never saying never. I get what I want, so they call me go-getter. Yeah, I know he does it good, but you know I do it better. So misunderstood, if she wanted then I let her. Everybody knows if I want her then I get her. She gave me that look, yeah, she knows she thinks I'm clever. I don't think I do it good, no, I think I do it great. They would do it if they could, they can't do it so they hate. Everybody wanna look, but nobody wanna play. Stealing eyes like a crook while I put it on display. I don't do it by the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got them singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah.
Okay, so now that it's done, we'll wait for some 5 or 10 minutes for it to sink in, and then all the dirts will start falling here. I'll just show you. See, can you see it here? So what we are going to do now is we'll just take this brush here. Just take this brush here. Just press it a little bit firmly, and then start doing this. Okay. So this is how your dirt comes off your chain. Comes off from your chain. Okay, do it nicely and firmly. So okay, let me do this quickly, and then I'll just speed up the video. I think there is some issue with my GoPro here, so as soon as I start the video, it just says there it says it is repairing the file, and then the GoPro shuts down. I'm not sure what's happening, so I just replaced the battery. It was somewhere around 80 to 90%, and then it got drained out within like 5 or 10 minutes. So I need to check that. So the bike is cleaned up, then I'll just take a bath. So this is the condition of my hand right now. Okay, that's it guys. Bye bye, see you. Happy weekend.